Guess what I'm cooking? Famous snack in the Philippines, kasaba or kamoting kahoy. At ang dami, there's so many here in Florida. They called it yoka, but this is really kasaba. And see that? My thing is product in Thailand, coconut. So I use this one, coconut cream, and then I add some sugar. And this is ready, but I just don't want, I wanna stay more. It's so creamy. I wanna stay more the cassava and the latek, you know. Nilatikan, very yummy. Kamoting kahoy, diba? So, you know, guys, yung Florida, guys, is just like same in the Philippines. Maraming mga gulay, mga talong, ang palaya. So, marami ding Asian market dito kasi yung weather, same lang siya sa Pinas, honey. So, pwede siya magtanim, you know. Very cold here months is January and February. But even though may malunggay, may still alive even it's cold. So it's not really that cold here. It goes down to 60 degrees. It's still warm and the sun is still out. That's the main thing. I'm so excited to eat this. Cassava. Oh my god. Looks so yummy. But I wanna the creamy. I don't want the creamy much, so I'm just gonna steam it more until it go down more. I'm gonna try it. Just a little bite. Just the sauce. I'm gonna try the sauce. Oh yeah, it's already sweet, so that's good. Thank you for watching, friends.